Hi everyone! Today, we are going to solve multi-step routine and non-routine problems involving division and any of the other operations of whole numbers, including money, using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Let's take a look back on the definition of routine problem solving and non-routine problem solving. When we say routine problem solving, it is a type of problem with an immediate solution. While non-routine problem solving is also known as creative problem solving because it requires some degree of creativity or originality. Oftentimes, these problems can be solved in multiple ways and with a variety of strategies. To solve routine and non-routine word problems, you have to follow several steps. First is to understand, know what is asked, and know the given facts. Second, plan. Determine the operation to be used. Write the number sentence. Next is to solve. Show your solution. And last, check and look back. Review and recheck your answer. State the complete answer. To begin, let's have this problem. The average of 6 numbers is 66. If 75 and 89 are added to 6 numbers, what is the new average? Step number 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? What is the new average or the new average? What are the given facts? The given facts are 6 numbers, the average of 6 numbers which is 66, and the numbers 75 and 89. Step 2. Plan. What is or are the operation to be used? The operation that we are going to use are multiplication, division, and addition. What is or are the hidden questions? The hidden questions are, what is the sum of 6 numbers? And what is the new sum if you add 75 and 89? What is the number sentence? The number sentence is 66 times 6 plus 75 plus 89 divided by 8 is equal to n. Step number 3. Solve. Show your solution. So we have the equation 66 times 6 plus 75 plus 89 divided by 8 is equal to n. 66 times 6, we have 396, while 75 plus 89, we have 164. Now we are going to add 396 and 164. 396 plus 164 is equal to 570. 570 divided by 8, we have 70. Therefore, the new average is 70. Step number 4. Check and look back. Review and recheck your answer. State the complete answer. The new average is 70. Let's have problem number 2. Ben has some goats and chickens in his backyard. All in all, there are 15 heads and 46 legs. How many chickens and goats are there? To solve multi-step non-routine problems involving division and other operations, read and analyze the problem carefully. Tell what is asked and what are given. Then, use strategies like acting out the problem, listing or table method, guess and check, drawing or making a diagram, using patterns, working backward, and many more to solve it. Now, let's go back to problem number 2. Step number 1, understand. What is asked in the problem? How many chickens and goats are there? Or the number of chickens and goats in the backyard. What are the given facts? The given facts are 15 heads and 46 legs. First, we are going to draw 15 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we have 15 heads. Next, draw 2 legs in each head. As you can see, we have already 30 legs. Now, we have 16 legs left. Draw the 16 legs left. Now, we have 46 legs in all. So, there are 8 heads with 4 legs and 7 heads with 2 legs. Therefore, 8 times 4 legs is equal to 32 legs. 7 times 2 legs is equal to 14 legs. 32 plus 14 is equal to 46 legs. There are 8 goats and 7 chickens in the form. Remember, to analyze and solve the problem, you can use these steps. The steps in solving routine problem are the following. First is to understand. Know what is asked and what are given. Second, plan. Note the operation. Write the number sentence. Next, solve. Write the correct units or label on your answer. And last, check and look back. Review and check your answers. To solve non-routine problems involving division, read and analyze the problem carefully. Tell what is asked and what are given. Then use other strategies like acting out the problem, listing or table method, guess and check, drawing or making a diagram, using patterns, working backwards, and many more. Now, let's solve the following problems. An egg vendor bought 600 eggs from the poultry farm. She paid 54 pesos per dozen. How much did she pay in all? Now, let's solve the problem. Step number 1, understand. As you can see here in the given problem, how much did she pay in all is being asked. While 600 eggs and 54 pesos per dozen are the given facts. Second, plan. 1 dozen is equivalent to 12 pieces. Therefore, we are going to divide 600 into 12 and multiply it to 54. Therefore, the operation that we are going to use are division and multiplication. The number sentence will be 600 divided by 12 times 54 is equal to n. Now, let's solve for it. 600 divided by 12. We have here 60 divided by 12. We have 5. 5 times 12 is equal to 60. 60 minus 6 is equal to 0. We bring down 0 here. 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. 0 times 12 is equal to 0. And then 0. Therefore, the quotient is 50. We're going to multiply it to 54. 4 times 0 is equal to 0. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then we're going to add the partial products. We bring down 0, another 0. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. And then we bring down 2. Therefore, the product is 2,700. Last step, check and look back. Now, we are going to state the complete answer. The vendor paid 2,700. Camille went to a bank and requested the cashier to change her 3 1,000 bills. How many bills will she receive if she asks for 20 peso bill, 50 peso bill, 200 peso bill, and 500 peso bill? Based from the problem, how many bills will she receive if she asks for 20 peso bill, 50 peso bill, 200 peso bill, and 500 peso bill are being asked? While 3 1,000 bills and 20 peso bill, 50 peso bill, 200 peso bill, and 500 peso bill are the given facts. Now, we're going to divide 1,000 to 20 and then multiply it by 3. Therefore, the operation that we're going to use are division and multiplication. Let's try to divide 1,000 by 20. So 100 divided by 20, we have 5. 5 times 20, we have 100. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 20 is equal to 0. 0 times 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have 50. Now, we are going to multiply it by 3. 50 times 3. 3 times 0 is equal to 0. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, there are 150 20 peso bill. Now, let's go to number 2. How many bills will she receive if she asks for 50 peso bill? Likewise, we are going to use division and multiplication. Because we are going to divide 1,000 by 50. 1,000 divided by 50 and then multiply again by 3 because there are 3 1,000 bills. 1,000 divided by 50. So here, 100 divided by 50, we have 2. 2 times 50, we have 100. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Bring down 0. 0 divided by 50 is equal to 0. 0 times 50 is equal to 0. So we have 0 there. Now, we're going to multiply 20 by 3. 3 times 0 is equal to 0. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, we have here 60 50 peso bill. Now, let's go to number 3. How many bills will she receive if she asks for 200 peso bill? $1,000 divided by 200 times 3 is equal to n. So 1,000 divided by 200, we have here 5. 5 times 200, we have 1,000. Is equal to 0. Now, we are going to multiply 5 by 3. We have 15. Therefore, we have 15 200 peso bill. Let's go to 500. Number 4. How many bills will she receive if she asks for 500 peso bill? $1,000 divided by 500 times 3 is equal to n. So, 1,000 divided by 500, we have 2. 2 times 500, we have 1,000. 1,000 minus 1,000, we have 0. 2 times 3, we have 6. Therefore, we have 6 500 peso bill. Number 4, check and look back. Now we are going to state the complete answer. Number 1, Camille will receive 150 bills if she asked for 20 peso bill. Number 2, Camille will receive 60 bills if she asked for 50 peso bill. Number 3, Camille will receive 15 bills if she asked for 200 peso bill. And last, number 4, Camille will receive 6 bills if she asks for 500 peso bill. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.